Did you know that in the US, your credit score can determine whether you get a home, a car, or even a job? But here's the thing. If you're new to this country, building credit can feel like an impossible puzzle. Don't worry, I've got your back. Hi, I'm your credit repair guide, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to build credit in the US as an immigrant, even if you're starting from zero. I know how it feels to come to a new country with big dreams but no idea where to start. I've been there. I remember the frustration of being denied a credit card, the confusion of hearing terms like FICO score and credit report, and the fear that I'd never be able to buy a home or start a business. But guess what? I figured it out, and so can you. Let me show you how. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple steps to build credit in the US as an immigrant. Whether you have an SSN, an ITIN, or no credit history at all, these steps will work for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to start building your credit today. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1, open a US bank account. This is your foundation. Even if you don't have a credit history yet, having a bank account shows lenders that you're serious about managing your money. Plus, it's the first step toward getting a credit card or loan. Pro tip, look for banks that offer accounts for immigrants, like Chase or Bank of America. Step 2, if you don't have a social security number, don't panic. You can apply for an ITIN, an individual taxpayer identification number. This 9-digit number lets you build credit, file taxes, and even open a credit card. I'll leave a link in the description on how to apply for an ITIN. It's easier than you think. Step 3, get a secured credit card. This is the easiest way to start building credit as an immigrant. With a secured card, you put down a deposit, say $200, and that becomes your credit limit. Use it responsibly, pay it off every month, and watch your credit score grow. Some great options include the Discover Secured Card or the Capital One Secured Card. Step 4. Ask a trusted friend or family member to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. This lets you piggyback on their good credit history, boosting your score without needing your own card. Just make sure they have a good payment history, otherwise it could backfire. Step 5, keep an eye on your credit report. You're entitled to a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, once a year. Check for errors like accounts that aren't yours or incorrect balances and dispute them immediately. I'll leave a link below to get your free credit report. Building credit in the US as an immigrant isn't just possible, it's within your reach. Start with these 5 steps and you'll be amazed at how quickly your credit score can grow. Remember, every financial giant started with a single step. Your journey begins today. I know how overwhelming it can feel to start over in a new country, but trust me, you've got this. You're stronger than you think, and with the right tools, you can achieve anything. So take that first step and let's build your credit and your future together. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this advice. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.